Hi, I'm Nadia, and this is Nicole.
And we are the Valley Relocation Team.
Hello everyone, welcome to 2650 Micksburg Road in Laurentian Valley. We're out in farm country here, just around the corner from where I grew up. Let's have a closer look. We're about 15-20 minutes from Pembroke, maybe about 30 minutes from the base for those of you wanting to know how far from the base. About 15 minutes or less actually to Cobden, and maybe 25 minutes to Renfrew. This is a spacious family home, 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Spacious and open country kitchen, and downstairs we have a newly renovated rec room and an entrance to the attached garage. All the rooms are large. 3 upstairs with a full bathroom and 2 large bedrooms on the main level with another full bathroom combined with the laundry. This is situated on a 1-acre lot with an outbuilding. If you'd like to book a private viewing, please contact me, Nadia Party, at 613-401-2308, or my partner,
Nicole Walters, at 613-401-2045.